So I was looking for a jumper pack, something that I can jumpstart my motorbike with. I previously bought one and I still have it, and it works really well by this brand, Yabber. And I thought I'm going to look for this brand again because the one I have is working really well, and you know, stick to what you know. And then I came across this little baby. This one has got an extra little benefit. It can also inflate tires. Now I have from another brand a tire inflator, and I have the Yabber jumper pack that I keep in the car, but every time I want to go out for a long ride with a motorbike, I have to take them out, remember to take them out, put them in the motorbike. So I really wanted a jumper pack for my motorbike, and then I came across this one, which does both. Now, admittedly, I haven't figured out all the buttons yet. There's not a lot of buttons, but there's every self-respecting man. I will fiddle with it till I figure it out, because nobody reads instructions. It has a little light. Look, oh, that seems like a good light. That is where the little pipe goes in for the tire inflator. This is where the wires go in for the jump starter. And this is where, sorry, working with one hand, the power goes in. You also have USB ports so you can charge your phone or whatever on the road. And this, I quite like this. They really thought about this time around. Where all the wires goes in, they added a little zip. This keeps things nice and tidy. There is the jumper cables. Also, cleverly, different lengths. See, so it is not so easy to short out. I know this looks very much like my current, the other one that I already have, so I know that's going to work well. This I particularly like. This head is quite small, and this is important because when you try to inflate motorbike tires, very often you don't have a lot of space between the valve and the brake disc, and this is just perfect. It'll get in there nice and easy, and like I said, that screws into there, and lots of quite a few other bits. I'm sure you can use this to connect it to the cigarette lighter. There's the instructions, which I'll probably resolve to you if I have any problems. There's the little charger cable, and yeah, all nice and compact. A little bit bigger than my jumper pack, but a lot smaller than my old jumper pack and the tire inflator together. So this is perfect for keeping in my motorbike, because now I've got both. Really impressed with this little piece of kit.
I think one of the best ways to tell whether you've got a quality product is to look at the way it's packaged and packed. And this is quite superb. The case is fantastic. Zip case, everything fits really snugly inside it. And this is showing the main body of the product. And if I switch on, you can see it's been supplied with 78% charge. There's a screen protector so it didn't get scratched in transit. And accessories get into the other side. Cigar lighter connector. jump leads themselves. USB lead to USB-C. And the connectors for the pump, for ball and tyres, etc. Several people have shown videos of them blowing tyres up with this, and there's no doubt that that's what it's for, amongst other things. So I thought I'd just concentrate on the quality, because the case is quite superb, and the quality of the accessories. There's also several sets of instructions in different languages, including English. When you switch on, the unit shows the percentage of battery power that you've got, and then you can touch on off one more time, and it runs through the different settings for that football setting in PSI. For car tyres, for motorbikes, for bicycles, etc. Just select through, switch on, and away you go, once it's connected to the bike or the ball.
Just going to use this on the compressor part of this new charger I've got. YaberAuto 1. It's jump start, but also got a compressor. Tells you how much battery's in it. That's for putting air in. Point 1, you can change on a car. You can change to motorcycle, push bike, or whatever. That's on 2.1. Put it on the card. So it's on 1.5 at the moment. So you just press that. A couple of seconds. Stops itself. 2.1. Very impressed.
Okay, so here's how it works. So quickly push the start button. You can see the bar ratings for a vehicle, for a car. Then you can switch around and for a bike or a bicycle or football, I think it is, or any sports ball, I guess. So as I've got the bike over here, I'll try to see whether I can fill up this bike. I think the process is exactly the same if you are doing it for a car as well. Right, so once that's in, then what you do is, it's 9 psi, I think it goes up to probably 15, so put a long press. there you go, all done. And tires are fully inflated. Wow, fantastic.
So this is really cool. I've never seen this before. It's a battery pack with an integrated air compressor, which I've plugged in here. It's turned on. I need to turn it to car mode, although it can also do motorbikes, bicycles and balls. So let's put it on 2.2 bar, which is exactly what my wife's car needs, and it's showing that her tyres are at 2 bar, so I think I have to hold the power button. There we go. How long it will take to get to 2.2 bar. Okay, we're at 2.1. Nearly there. Okay. I'm guessing this will stop any minute. There we go. Just like that. Give it a go. I think completely dead. Flap at the top. Connector in.
Right, good connection. Right, give it a go. Wow. Dead, start straight away.
bad. Diesel engine sat there for about 6 months.